Alright, this is the Crabtree Nature Center. These are the animals. This one's out the exhibit. Right here's the fish. Right here. You can pause it if you want to read it. You can see. Look. See flowers, daisies. There's coyote fur too. You can see daisies. Right here, American toad. That's what's right here. There's pride flags. There's a couple ducks right there. I think they are fake. They're not real. Okay. Right here's turtles. Right. Oh, look what's over there. I think that's a theater. Right here's the exhibits.
There's a vulture in here, you say?
There's a tree right there too.
It's over here. It's called a theory.
This is what's under the tree. This is what's inside the Nature Center building.
Can you see him?
Yes, I can see them.
Where is he?
See right there.
Here you go.
Right here's the tree. I'll give you a quick view of it. Well, I guess Flash does not work on it at this time. Here is the owl. And of course, this is what's right here. But I don't think I'm really supposed to be here, but there's a TV right here too.
There's a snake over here. Where? Over here.
I'm with a class trip right now, so I have to avoid getting anybody on picture. This right here's the outside itself. My camera just stopped recording for some reason. Right here is stuff right there. Here's the staff area only. This is a one-floor building. Little workshop area. That's it.